In our fast-paced world, it is easy to feel overwhelmed and lost. We often find ourselves searching for that extra push, that inner strength, to overcome obstacles and reach our goals. But what if I told you that the key to unlocking your potential lies within a single verse of the Bible? Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14 holds the key to unleashing the power within you and tapping into your true potential. Let us delve into these powerful words and discover the transformative message they hold. Unleashing the power within, discover the key in Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14. Life is a journey, full of ups and downs, successes, and failures. It is easy to get stuck in the past, dwelling on mistakes and missed opportunities. However, in Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14, the Apostle Paul reminds us to forget what lies behind and press on towards the goal. This verse encourages us to let go of our past failures and regrets and focus on the present moment. By doing so, we free ourselves from the chains of the past and unleash the power within to reach new heights. To truly tap into the power of Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14, we must also embrace the concept of perseverance. The road to success is not always smooth, but it is through persistence and determination that we can overcome any obstacles that come our way. Paul encourages us to press on towards the goal, refusing to let setbacks define us. By staying committed to our dreams and goals, we unleash our inner strength and unlock our true potential. Furthermore, Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14 emphasizes the importance of having a clear vision and purpose in life. It reminds us to keep our eyes fixed on the prize and not get distracted by the noise and distractions around us. When we have a clear direction and a goal in mind, we are better equipped to make decisions that align with our values and aspirations. By staying focused and determined, we can unleash the power within and achieve greatness. Unlocking your potential, tap into the power of Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14. Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14 serves as a reminder that we all have untapped potential within us. It urges us to leave behind our past mistakes and regrets and focus on the present moment. By doing so, we can unleash the power within and embark on a journey towards personal growth and success. To tap into the power of this verse, it is crucial to cultivate a mindset of perseverance and determination. Life is bound to throw challenges our way, but it is how we respond to them that truly matters. By adopting an attitude of persistence and refusing to give up, we can overcome any hurdles and achieve our goals. Finally, unlocking our true potential requires us to have a clear vision and purpose. By setting meaningful goals and focusing on what truly matters to us, we can align our actions with our aspirations. This sense of clarity and direction allows us to make intentional choices and maximize our potential. As we navigate through life's journey, it is important to remember the power that lies within us. Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14 offers us a roadmap to unleashing that power and tapping into our true potential. By letting go of the past, embracing perseverance, and staying focused on our goals, we can unlock the power within and achieve greatness. So, let us embrace the transformative message of Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14 and unleash the power within ourselves. Please like and subscribe. For more content and full videos, visit our channel. Thank you.